Terra Classic is the rebranded form of a digital currency whose breakdown caused a wide range of market issues recently. We should investigate its story up until this point, and furthermore cast our eyes over a portion of the Terra Classic cost forecasts that were being made starting around the 2nd of December 2022. Terra Classic made sense of. Terra Classic, realized by its ticker handle of LUNC, is the local badge of the Terra Classic blockchain. This blockchain, previously known as Terra, was made by crypto business visionaries Daniel Shin and Du Kwon in 2019 to help make a stablecoin known as Terra USD. USTs were printed by consuming Luna and could likewise be traded for Luna. That's what the thought was. Assuming the UST esteem transcended $1, the same worth of Luna would be scorched, which stamped more UST, making it less significant. Then again, in the event that the UST cost fell underneath $1, they were traded for Luna, which thus made UST more significant. This appeared to function admirably until May 2022. The Terra USD environment then, at that point, saw capital flight after the depegging of UST and a dive in the cost of Luna. Financial backers who were once attracted to approach 20% profits from UST stores started to sell their UST tokens in an excited exit, as UST began losing its dollar stake on the 9th of May 2022. As more UST holders sold their tokens, Luna, which was intended to be an adjusting token to assist with keeping up with UST's dollar stake, saw out of control inflation. Crypto market strife. All between the 9th of May and the 12th of May, Luna lost virtually its worth as it dropped by 99.98% from about $64 to $0. UST additionally plunged, and with the breakdown causing strife in the crypto market, something must be finished. The Luna establishment watchman declared that there would be a hard fork, with the new blockchain kept on as Terra, and another type of a Luna coin. Nonetheless, these plans were quickly different, and it was reported there would be a new blockchain. It was additionally reported that the first type of the blockchain would be known as Terra Classic. In the interim, UST would be rebranded as USTC and was intended to get away from being an algorithmically upheld stablecoin to being one supported by security. The principal block of the new Terra blockchain was stamped on the 28th of May, and from that point forward, what was whenever Luna has become LUNC, a digital currency run and worked by its own local area. There was something of a turn in the tale when, on the 26th of September 2022, South Korean specialists requested Kwon, whose whereabouts are right now obscure, to be placed on Interpol's Red Rundown. While past execution ought to never be taken as a mark of future outcomes, knowing LUNC's value history can give us some helpful setting with regards to either deciphering a generally existing Terra Classic value forecast or making one of our own. We will zero in on the LUNC coin as it has existed since May 2022, however noticing the features of its past incarnation is helpful. When Terra first went onto the open market in July 2019, it was worth around $1.30. This cost before long ended up being something of an overvaluation and it tumbled to under $1, where it remained until mid-2021, when the token broke more than $1 in January and moved to arrive at an occasional high of $22.33 on 21 walk. There was a drop-off throughout the next months, and a revisitation of structure later in the year, hitting a high of $103.33 on the 27th of December. What was then known as Luna partook in some remarkable cost activity in the initial not many long stretches of 2022, arriving at an unsurpassed high of $119.18 on the 5th of April. Following the accident, it sank to a record-breaking low of $0 the 13th of May. On the 28th of May, the day that the new Luna appeared and the bygone one became LUNC, the coin shut at $0. The news that the Celsius crypto loaning stage had dropped withdrawals affirmed the bear market, sending LUNC down to a low of $0 the 18th of June. In late August, the cost shot up to close the month at $0. The declaration of proposition to present a 1.2% duty on exchanges on the blockchain saw Terra Classic arrive at a high of $0 the 8th of September 2022. The proposition went through on the 21st of September, yet LUNC's cost dropped to around $0 the morning of the 26th of September 2022. By noon that day, notwithstanding, after the news that the South Korean specialists had reached Interpol about Kwon and, maybe more critically, after Binance declared that it was to set up a 1.2% consume on LUNC exchanges, the cost shot up, with the crypto exchanging at around $0. On the 2nd of October 2022, it hit a high of $0, prior to settling down to exchange at about $0 the 12th of October. Following the breakdown and liquidation of the FTX trade, LUNC dropped to a low of $0 the 22nd of November prior to making a big deal about a recuperation to $0 the 30th of November. The next day, it arose that Binance had consumed in excess of 6 billion LUNC, sending the cost up essentially By the 2nd of December 2022, it was valued at $0. With 5.9 trillion LUNC available for use out of an all-out supply of simply over 6.8 trillion, it had a market cap of more than $1 billion, making it the 39th biggest crypto by that measurement. Terra cost expectation gathered together. We should investigate a portion of the Terra coin cost expectations that were being made on the 2nd of December 2022. It is vital to call attention to that cost figures, particularly for something as possibly unpredictable as digital money, are in many cases wrong. Long-haul crypto value forecasts are much of the time made utilizing a calculation, and that implies they can change immediately. Had a to some degree hopeful present moment Terra Classic crypto cost forecast, saying that it figured the coin could reach $0 the 7th of December and $0 the 1st of January 2023. The site's specialized investigation was evaluated as nonpartisan, with 15 pointers making bullish signs against 12 making negative UNS. Had a LUNC crypto cost forecast that saw it possibly exchange at around $0, prior year coming to $0 year from now and $0 year after that. By 2025, the site said, LUNC could be valued at $0. In 2027, the figure proposed LUNC could be valued at $0, moving to $0 2028 and possibly shutting the 10 years at $0. The site then, at that point, proceeded to make a Terra Classic cost expectation for 2030 that said it could exchange at $0, prior to contending it might actually remain at $0 2031. Was fairly more downbeat as far as its LUNC cost expectation, saying the coin could tumble to $0 January 2023 and just recuperate somewhat to $0 December 2023. Its Terra Classic cost expectation for 2025 said the coin could develop to hit $0. That was all around as sure as this expectation got, since the site proceeded to anticipate that LUNC could lose all its worth by December 2027. There are no indications of trust in its 2030 estimate or its Terra Classic cost expectation for 2040, either, affirming that the site accepted LUNC could stay a dead coin. At long last, was bullish when it came to making a Terra Classic cost expectation for 2023. The site said the coin's worth could ascend to $0 December 2023, and possibly move to $0 5 years' time. While considering a LUNC coin cost expectation, it is essential to remember that digital money markets remain very unstable, making it challenging to precisely foresee what a coin or token's cost will be in a couple of hours, and, surprisingly, harder to give long-haul gauges. In that capacity, experts and calculation-based forecasters can and do misunderstand their expectations. Assuming you are thinking about putting resources into digital money tokens, we suggest that you generally do your own examination. Take a gander at the most recent market patterns, news specialized in major examination, and well-qualified assessment prior to going with any venture choice. Remember that previous presentation is no assurance of future returns. Never exchange with cash that you can't stand to lose. It is challenging to say. A ton will rely upon whether the consuming of burden coins can assist with driving both the cost of and the interest for LUNC. Keep in mind, you ought to constantly do your own careful examination prior to making a venture. Indeed, even high market cap digital